So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to change input or Sceptre monitor without remote button OCD and source select. So locate the monitor button first, then most Sceptre monitor have physical button placed on the bottom edge or on the back right side of the monitor. Then common button you will see is power, menu, volume up and down button, input or source and exit. If labels are missing, press each gently. The on-screen menu will show what it does. Method first is change input using the OSD menu. From these steps, press menu button to open the OSD on-screen display. Use volume up and down button to move through options. Find source or input select. Press menu or OK to enter. Choose HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA or DVI if available. Press menu OK again to confirm. The screen switch immediately after selection. Method 2 is use the dedicated source button. Many Sceptre monitor include a source or input button. Press it once, input list appear. Use up and down button, select source, press again to confirm. This is the fastest method if your monitor support it. Method 3 is auto detect input. Some model automatically switch input, turn off the monitor, connect only one cable, turn monitor on again. The monitor may auto detect the active source. If input won't change, quick fixes. Try these simple fixes. Make sure cable is firmly plugged in. Restart monitor after changing cable. Test another HDMI DisplayPort cable. Try a different input port. Ensure your PC or laptop is turned on. Button mapping example. Most Sceptre monitor follow these orders. Power or menu, plus minus, source or exit. Exact layout may vary slightly by model. Quick summary is press menu, then source or input select, then choose HDMI, DP or VGA, or use source button for fast switching. Use plus or minus button to navigate OSD. Restart monitor if input doesn't switch. Thank you.